Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to try a new canning recipe that I've never done before called frog balls. It's just pickled Brussels sprouts and I made mine spicy because you know me, I love spicy everything. So let me show you how I did it. These are delicious.
To get started, I'm going to prep my Brussels sprouts and the water that we're going to cook them in for just a couple of minutes. So I add just a little bit of salt to a pot of water and got that, heating up and ready to boil. In the meantime, I started prepping my Brussels sprouts by trimming the ends and then cutting them in half lengthwise and then pulling off the outer leaves just to make sure it's all nice and clean. I topped off my pot of water just to make sure all the Brussels sprouts were covered, and then I let that sit and simmer for just about 2 minutes. And while that was going on, I de-stemmed my serrano peppers. A lot of the spicy recipes called for cayenne peppers, but my local store only had serrano. So I did those, and then I took some garlic from the garden and I started peeling and trimming the garlic because I'm going to add garlic to the jars kind of right before we add the brine. After my Brussels sprouts were done cooking, I put a large colander in a bowl to drain them off. And then in order to stop them in the cooking process, I added them to an ice bath. This will cool it and stop them from cooking and getting all mushy. To my large stock pot, I added equal parts water and white distilled vinegar. This will be for our brine, and then we're also going to add some canning salt or pickling salt, and I'll put the ratios and measurements down below. Since mine was such a big batch, I really had to make a lot, and it turns out I made way too much brine, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. So I got that on the stove, and I want it to get to a nice rolling boil, and then I will simmer it for 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to add my Brussels sprouts to my half-gallon ball jars. Finally got smart and used my funnel. Then I'm adding 4 or 5 serranos to each jar just to help get them nice and spicy. Then I'm adding a handful of garlic cloves to each jar as well. And then I'm adding about a teaspoon of mustard seeds to each jar. Probably more like a tablespoon actually. Same with the peppercorn, about a tablespoon of peppercorns. And then about a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. And then I'm trying this out. I've never used this before, this extra crunch. It's just supposed to help your pickled vegetables stay crunchy and crisp. So the measurements are on the back of the jar there. And this was finally done. My brine was ready, so I turned off the heat and I just used a glass measuring cup to start pouring my brine mixture directly into the jars, and I left about a ½ inch of headspace at the top. Then I took a metal straw and just tried to get all of the air bubbles out from the bottom and in between all the Brussels sprouts. You really don't want air bubbles when you're canning because bad things can grow in the space. And so once the bubbles kind of reached the top, I topped them off with more brine. And then I wiped off the rims with a wet paper towel to make sure it gets a nice seal. And then I put the lids on finger tight. and got a large canning pot ready with boiling water. This is a pressure canning pot, but I didn't actually, pressure can these. I just used the lid. So once this was to a nice boil, I added 4 of my 5 jars to the water. One, they wouldn't all fit. I had 5 half-gallon jars, and 2, I just want to eat one of these to begin with, so I don't really need to can it. I'm just going to put that one in the fridge. So this one right here is going directly into my fridge. I am going to wait about 7 days for it to kind of marinate, but then we're going to enjoy those fresh. Once this got to a rolling boil again, I'm going to put the lid on and water bath can for 15 minutes. Then I'll take them off the heat and use my canning tongs to pull them out of the boiling water and set them on. I use just a dish drying rack to let them sit and seal and cool down overnight, and then they should be shelf stable for about 2 years. And there you have it, pickled Brussels sprouts, aka frog balls. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks guys, bye.